said, women is the largest untapped reservoir of talent in the world. Happy Women's Day to all you gorgeous women. Today we are celebrating International Women's Day with you and a special guest. We the women need to raise our standard and solve our problems ourselves and thrive until we reach that day when we don't have to think about gender equality anymore. How? We are trying to learn this by taking insights of various women in different countries, homemakers, or the ones working in different industries. And by your feedbacks. So shower us with your love in the comments. Let us know what do you think about women empowerment. Let's meet our special guest in Kolkata, Sunetri Chatterjee. She was born and brought up in Bhilai, imbibing the steel and the inclusiveness of the tiny town. She has lived in all four major metro cities in India: Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, and now settled in Kolkata. Sunetri is a proud mother to a gorgeous daughter who's budding doctor in the US. Sunetri has worked as an editor in the medical transcription company in Chennai, and then she went on to run a small setup herself in the same field. Welcome, Sunetri. Hi.
Hi, Juhi.
Hi. So good to
Hi.
see you.
Same here. Very nice to meet you finally.
Yeah, I know. We
Maybe
have
online, but still, yes.
correct. So today we are here to celebrate International Women's Day.
Yeah.
So I would just like to know what do you think where we have reached as women today?
First, I would like to start by wishing you a very happy Women's Day also.
Thank you so
And
much.
I think women have made huge strides. They have, from where we were about, say, 100 years back,
Hmm.
in every field that women have chosen for themselves, they have moved really ahead and they have done really well, because there are some basic qualities which women have. They are methodical, they are very organized, and they bring that dedication to whatever they do. So I don't think any field is left unchallenged by women. With grit and with determination, we are just powering ahead. And I think the march is gaining strength, and there is no bastion that will be left unconquered by women. I strongly believe that.
Good, but I think there's a big section of the society which is underprivileged. And do you think,
Very.
do you have any thoughts about how do we help them and raise their standard or make education available to all?
Yeah, that is very true. I mean, we speak from a very privileged standpoint, where we are living in families which are very open minded and inclusive, where we have a backing of education. So I think it is time that we give back to society also. That is very, very important. So many of our sisters who are not, they do not have the means, they do not have access to basic education or basic facilities, which, as in a position of privilege where we have been endowed with everything, I think it is time we reach out, uh, do some work, do our bit for the society, and try to create as much of a level playing field as possible for them.
Correct.
That
So, what are your concern areas? What changes would you like to see for the development of women's stature in society?
I would definitely say there are two things that really concern me. The first, of course, is security.
Hmm.
You know, this is something which is a problem which does not seem to go away. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, the violence against women, it just increases day by day, and the kind of things that we hear, it's
It's not pleasant.
repulsive, but it happens. We cannot wish it away. And more women are joining the workforce because they want to, because they need to, whatever the reason. No woman should feel any doubt in her mind when she's stepping out of the house. She should not need a man to, chaperone her because she's feeling insecure. This lack of a secure environment is very bothersome. and which
Correct.
is again something which maybe women in a position of privilege do not feel that much,
Hmm.
but there are so many of women folk who are facing this every day.
Yeah.
And another thing that concerns me is that there is still not much of a concept of equality. As women, we are not wanting anything more.
Hmm.
We are managing everything. We are managing the household. We are managing to go out and do very well, actually.
Yeah.
But that acceptance, I find it a bit lacking in
Hmm.
society, in work related atmospheres, that a woman can be as good
Hmm.
or better at a job than a man, that has some hesitance in being accepted, which
Correct.
is a bit bothersome because there is so much of representation of women in the workforce. So you would expect that things would change gradually, but it is taking time. But I'm sure it will. It will.
Huh.
Work out, yeah.
I think acceptability will come when we challenge the mindset, and mindsets have to change. And that is
Very
very, very, I don't know how to do it alone, but we all need to think in a collective fashion and think
absolutely.
about how to bring about the mind change, you know?
I know. Coming to that about the change in mindset, something I would like to say is that I have found that women are very critical of themselves,
Hmm.
and so-called, even for so-called successful women, we have different standards of measuring success in society. But even successful women, they feel that, okay, because I'm going out and because I'm spending so much time at work, maybe I'm not able to attend to my family as much as I want to.
Hmm.
A person who is at home, a homemaker, I
Hmm.
mean, she might be working day in and day out and doing
Yes.
everything and
Yes.
running her family very beautifully, but
Hmm.
she still feels that that she's not doing much, that she's not working outside, or that kind of brings in a negativity, which
Hmm.
I think women need to start with themselves. They need to challenge that mindset that it
Hmm.
is okay. I mean, in
Ha.
whichever field we are
Hmm.
doing our best.
Correct.
So I mean, why to feel that, okay, I'm because something does get left out.
Yes, yes.
So, maybe out of choice or maybe out of circumstances, but there is nothing wrong with being that way, So, there's nothing about getting negative about it. So, this is something we need to change in ourselves in order to
Correct.
move forward.
They are expecting hell lot out of your oneself, which is not attainable, right? So I think attainability,
Exactly.
yeah, so you have to have goals which are attainable and easily, not easily, you may still challenge to achieve them, but
Yeah.
don't have unrealistic dreams about it.
Exactly, because none of us is a superwoman,
Correct.
however much we try. So there is a point where we have to stop and we have to accept, and there's no defeat in that,
Correct.
because we know we are putting our best foot forward in every
Hmm.
situation.
Hmm.
So it is okay. I mean, we have to do that for ourselves and
Hmm.
accept that positivity will come and we'll have a new way of looking at life and at things.
I
I
think
believe
Sunit,
that.
I think Sunit, you write very beautifully. So I think you should
Thank you
write
so
some
much.
articles about these and let women read, and they kind of get motivated.
Oh, that's a wonderful compliment, Julie. I'll certainly remember that and I'll get into action, so to say.
Yes. So that may be a challenge I'm giving to you. So my
Oh
final
yes.
question is, how would you like to challenge women today? Because we are running this campaign of choose to challenge. So I'm asking
Yeah,
this.
challenge in the sense that we should learn to love ourselves first, and put ourselves first is something which women don't do as a rule. Everybody else is important but not us, and it is not selfish to put ourselves first, because that is something which inherently women find it difficult to do, because they put everybody else before them.
Correct.
So just accept that you are also a human and you need the love and care. If you don't start with yourself, nobody else will.
Yes,
So
true.
I mean, I think that is very very important, that that thing has to change, that I am not that important, or it is a bit selfish to look after myself. I think women need to start with themselves first and then reach out to the world. So
Yeah.
that is something that needs to change definitely in women.
So your challenge is to tell the women that you please love yourself and give
Yes,
yourself
yes,
some importance, and that's how people will change and the thought process may
yes,
change.
yes. Because the change starts with oneself,
Yes,
So,
absolutely.
yeah. So let us set the ball rolling, so to say,
Correct.
and love yourself, celebrate yourself. You are,
Ah,
so that is very, very important. I feel that.
so nice. I really liked your idea. Any other thing would you like to say about women empowerment or the reason, the world around you? Anything you would like to add anywhere? Just say.
See, I'm seeing, for example, I'm seeing my daughter who,
Hmm.
she went all alone to the US, and then she initially a bit shaky, and now she has settled so well, So it has not been easy. So every stage has its challenges.
Hmm.
Everybody is facing some kind of a challenge or the other. There is a need for empathy, and there is a need for understanding amongst women. They need to stand by each other,
Hmm.
and together bring everybody forward. That is the only way I think things will move, because women understand women's issues the best. I
Correct.
feel that way, and it's very important that we, as a collective force,
Hmm.
we come together and bring everybody along.
That's so nice. And Sunit, I have not given challenge to anybody. I don't know why, while talking to you, I felt like. So I will look forward to read your articles and write ups. And
Definitely.
thanks a lot for giving us this time and sharing your views with us, Sunit. Thank
Thank
you. Really
you.
appreciate.
I would like to say that you have truly evolved in this new facet that we see of you, and a wonderful, wonderful way of going ahead and bringing many new issues to light. I really appreciate that too.
Thanks for your time, really. Thank you so much for the
Thank,
kind words also.
thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Julie.
you. Thank you so much. Dear girlfriends, hope our little efforts bring in big smiles and changes. Sweeties, make a hot cup of tulsi tea and think about Sunit's challenge. It is very simple to follow, but do try. If you are with us in Choose to Challenge, then please share this video with all your friends and do encourage us by sharing your thoughts in the comment box below. Use these hashtags to share the post in the social media. Thank you. Bye bye.